Is this love? Is this lust?
Money Runs with R&B
and Beccablisse.
And that beautiful song now from two of the finest. That we physically call them young, but they're not young for the music industry, but they say they're very young when it comes to age. I'm talking about Ckay and Joe Boy. And if you listen to that song, you go find out how, if you know the person when they pay close attention to music, you'll find out how to know which one be Ckay, which one be Joe Boy, because the two of them, they sabi do the work of musical artists. You get me?
They sabi the work.
Yes, they sabi the work. Now, one of that particular artist is inside the studio right now.
Ckay.
So the one and only
Ckay, yeah.
He there with us.
Yeah, plaster for here this one.
The last time we did was 2 years ago, Abi. It only 2 years.
Yeah, I think
when
so.
He dropped Love Quantity.
Like 1 year. No.
1 year.
No, you don't come here last year.
Not come here last year. No. Ckay not come here.
But not this show. There was another show.
Okay. On top of another show.
I did one. How no go come here?
Anyway, how's the journey been since you go global? Love Quantity scatter everywhere. You drop a couple of body of work, don't give us a couple of single. And the reason why you would do it now based on your 2 new single which you just dropped a few days back. How's the journey been for you?
Well, the journey done the journey well, you understand, since 2021 after COVID. I don't they travel, they promote my music around the world, they perform, from Europe to America to India to Southern Africa. We don't just shout the road, just the waka, and we thank God for for Johnny Mercy's first of all.
Okay, so talking about
fly anyhow like
talking about performance. No, I'm sorry to cut you short. You go Ghana last year for a performance, Afro Nation.
Yeah, Afro
for Accra.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so how the performance did be, for that particular arrangement?
I mean, Ghana they always show love steady now. You understand? Like Ghana, not like Nigeria. Brother or sister. You understand? So it's almost just like home. So it was crazy.
Okay. So you be one of those who benefit heavily from the COVID-19 pandemic. Yeah, because your music was a relief to so many people around the world. You get now the success of your music now even can make you to travel around the world. And somehow Ckay, you just miss for the Nigeria space. You will get some point conversation come around say Ckay not they send Nigeria again. Now South Africa they base now. Anything when we can come Nigeria now say you want your come greet your family member, but then you don't pion again. So why? And really you get scarce. You scarce for Nigeria. I be a lie.
I mean, not really like that. Like I've been they come Nigeria lots of times. Last year as well when I dropped Hallelujah with Black Bones. I did and I just say I guess also. Day road, you understand? No be for house person.
But some people video of the people say you did base for SA. Now because of your record label when you did there, you see there with Warner Music Africa, right?
Yes, I did with Warner Music Africa, but I know they base for SA.
Okay.
And also last year, I go talk say 2023 was a good year for you, Ckay. I no go lie. You became the face of Polo Lauren, right?
Yeah.
So how the partnership take come about? Because now big one.
Yeah, man. Last year was crazy, Hallelujah, Sad Romance Deluxe, Ralph Lauren. Lots of things happened last year, and the partnership basically started from them reaching out to my team, and at that time, the yarns just progressed onto partnership. You understand?
Yeah.
So basically, it get this new product from Ralph Lauren would be like. When a oud fragrance,
okay.
So now like Ralph Lauren perfume, but with oud fragrance, and it did very very mad. You understand? So it did exclusively for the African market and Middle East market.
So they just needed the face to push on.
Yeah, basically they needed a face who believes in the product first of all.
But before they use her now.
Normally now, I like oud normally. You understand? Because I grew up for Kaduna, so say. Hausa people they use oud well.
Yeah.
And now one thing what I really like about them among many things. So me, I like the perfume well. You understand?
Okay.
So as I believe, say as I like her, una self, una try, una
Like,
like her.
so that partnership still there until now.
Of course.
Oh, okay. And not be small bread you collect. Oh. You don't see boys. You don't see boys. No use laugh cover am. Now you don't hear the name when you mention. Now big brand. You know,
Yes,
now
now.
millions now. Digits, right?
You know what I'm talking about? That?
but one thing also, but I think the reason why a lot of people they always assume for your matter and say you not really they at there apart from your music. We know they hear news of baby mama, we know they hear news. CK
No
they buy
scandal
new
at
car.
all.
No, it doesn't have to even be scandal.
Scandal.
CK they on top of the money we don't make.
Yeah.
You know, and now say you buy new car. You know, and now say you buy house. So most time they would assume he even get house. I be. Nah, rent in day you get. So I like me you make things clear because those kind of bread by then supposed to be landlord of like 10 or 20
10
houses.
houses for only Lagos.
Yes, so for only Lagos. We never talk about Africa and the rest place when they travel go. You get.
I mean, so first of all,
Yeah.
not be every single thing where they sup, I go yarn everybody. Not be every time where I buy house or car, go say,
Yeah.
oh yeah, my people, me I can't see.
But you're a close friend to Blackbone.
I mean,
Even Joe
I
Boy
don't
and
do
Asa when he buy.
I don't do them once before actually, but I mean, I
You
just
know,
feel
Anasa,
say,
we are not here
an answer
for Instagram.
Yes.
Which year be that?
Last year, yeah.
Yeah.
We not see am.
Go check and you go see.
New house for Lagos, yeah.
Go check and you go see.
Okay. So I mean, for you right now as a landlord, how many houses you get for Lagos?
Why go they talk that cat thing for interview? Now yourself.
Why you be interview now, bro? More no say
no,
at
no.
least you know they use the money you get.
I mean, bro, me I no feel say me I just no feel say na every single thing within my life. Sha,
You suppose.
where I go gas con they talk.
But
If I
as an artist, CK, may I just make and declare is part of the lifestyle. Now why you notice say some people
lifestyle cost, oh.
because this one go be inspiration. Some people, oh, as I not get joy, if I do music now, if you buy house like CK, if you get like 10 cars, you know, get this. It's more like part of the lifestyle to motivate other people. So not be really bad thing if you share those information. So how many houses you get, bro? Because I hear gist. I want just the setting. How many houses you get for Lagos?
This guy,
CK?
people.
Yeah. I know they lie here from people. I don't like
How many
assumption.
houses you
Yeah.
get for Lagos?
Just give it like less than 5, less than 10.
Which kind of question? I have a couple.
A couple.
couple, okay.
Because
That's
I
not
hear
bad.
saying less than 10, less than 5. I mean, I they talk.
Who talk?
No, I be industry person now. With the gossip where. But for the car, what be your favorite car for Nigeria if you did Nigeria?
My
When you
favorite
drive,
car
yeah.
in Nigeria. I know they drive for Nigeria first of all.
Okay.
I'm driven.
Okay. With men, yeah.
But yeah, I like Benz a lot. I think Benz are really cool.
And they will send
It's
WhatsApp group
rugged
and a day.
For road, yeah, for Nigeria road, yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, now talking about the collaborations, maybe say you don't do both local collaborations, you don't do with international people as well. And sometime last year too, you get your first Grammy nomination with that appearance where you appear on top Janelle Monáe's album, The Age of Pleasure, where they nominate for Album of the Year. So how the connection, take be for both of you on top of that particular work, and at the same time, how you go feel rate Janelle Monáe?
I mean, Janelle Monáe, I don't hear her music since like a very long time. You understand?
Yeah.
So basically, last year it can't be say we did work with the same company. You understand? For US Atlantic Records. So now for there basically the link up up.
Okay.
And from there we can't do the jam and the album can get Grammy nomination. So that's really amazing stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, now how would I rate Janelle Monáe? I think she's amazing artist, amazing voice. She makes great live music, and she's killing it.
Okay, so for people who don't understand, because we understand you started with Chocolate City. You see there with them? No. So you only did with Warner Music and Atlantic. How did it be? Now distribution did you get with Atlantic or?
I'm signed to Warner Music Africa, and Warner Music is a very big company with many branches. There's Warner Music UK, Warner Music Brazil, Warner Music France.
Which one you did?
Warner Music Africa, but I work with all of them.
Okay. Okay. Then the Atlantic record now a different D.
It's under. It's basically like Warner Music US. Something.
Okay.
But it just has a different name.
A different name. Okay. Now still the same record label. Now they come about to work with this lady. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, I'm gonna come to Mysterious Love right now. Yes, Mysterious Love. Now the new one of the new songs that we say Ckay just dropped, and I saw the snippets on top of your. I follow you on Instagram, so I see that very beautiful lady waiting for your video. So how long it take for you, to put out Mysterious Love?
I mean, shot the video for Mysterious Love around, late last year. I love the song so much. I just feel and that kind of song where if you just put down for earpiece, they hear them, you go feel just lost. You understand? Very amazing song, co-produced by Reward Beats, video directed by T-Tash.
Don't you mean co-produced, produced by you, then supported by Reward Beats?
We both worked on it together.
Yeah, because one interesting thing about you when some people feel not known as say you be producer. We will first see you as producer even before the artist later coming. Okay.
So basically, the way why they work now, like sometimes I feel get beats from someone straight up. Sometimes I feel start the beats, then the person will finish them. Sometimes the person will start them, then I will finish them. Like the process just they do them, like based on say one person feel gets some vibes where the other person feel get, but that other person will can't get vibes where this person no feel
now they balance each other.
So basically, if you combine the two.
So you are Reward Beats when I work on Mysterious Love. Them because two single you drop.
Yeah.
So
and
whatever is it you?
Same thing too.
Reward Beats when I gotta work on that.
Yes.
How
Bad,
long?
guy bad.
Yeah. How long it take to take work on these songs?
How long?
Yeah.
Maybe like a few weeks. Something like that. Yeah. Like change, but like a couple weeks.
I know this one happened last year.
Yeah, last year.
So when it comes to making of song, the one that you always pay attention and say, okay, this song I they work on now I want drop for month of January because love is around the corner, which is February. So it's understandable. Say you they target the Valentine love, we use this song to kill ourselves. So you settle that. You settle that thought, say, okay, this song I want record now before Valentine I want drop on how the process of recording.
No be even saying like that too. Now just coincidence you get. But as it can't be say it drop before Valentine.
Yeah.
It go well so that
the love will sweet.
It goes sweet, yes.
Which one you go say you don't derive more attention since you release them?
I go say Mysterious Love, people really they vibe with that one. According to some people, when they hear them with earpiece, they will feel just lost. Me and they like make song where you go feel listen to lost with them.
Mysterious Love na imagination have been waiting happen to you. Like where the inspiration come from?
Now waiting happen. All my music now waiting happen.
From experience.
Real life.
Real life.
So you they write your songs yourself, I believe.
Yes.
So this Mysterious Love, and is it you? Now you write them yourself, or you get writer who help you write the lyrics?
Sometimes I work with some writers, but these two songs actually didn't have any writers.
Just you.
Yeah, but there were some backup vocalists though.
Okay.
Yeah, Beams, a really talented guy called Beams, and Toxic. They did backup vocals on it.
Oh no. Now before we go there, my piano effect of this song, I just want to ask, so who be this lucky girl, now serious girl when want born bushes and born houses for right now? Where she did? Now Nigeria babe, I mean a South Africa babe.
Now Mysterious babe.
I love that response.
You just saying that from your life. So
Yes,
it's Mysterious Love. It cannot be Mysterious Babe.
Mysterious Love with a mysterious babe.
Last time when you come here, you say you don't get girlfriend. Now when you don't sing about girlfriend, say the babe, you want born bushes, you want born house for her.
You still know what
You don't want to tell
know.
who be the girl.
You go know very soon. You go find out.
Voila.
CK gets one here. The one here, made them know that made them give off.
Person hearing it could be you. It might be you.
You know,
It could be
CK,
you.
I think the reason why you don't go feel answers because
A lot
you
of
be
people they
Africa
love.
boyfriend. Like all the
To
girls
so-
in
to
Africa,
so
so you
many.
be our boyfriend. So if
Yes.
you mention one person now, you go be like say,
okay. Jealous.
Okay. You know
Yeah.
it's because you asked. I go
You want
tell
rephrase her now.
Okay,
You want
okay.
rephrase her.
in Africa.
Okay, the Africa
the
babes,
African
yeah.
boyfriend he be. So in Africa it's supposed to be
So
normally.
the mysterious babe in
Yeah.
Africa.
So you never still settle. You're there around everywhere. Now you mean right now.
I did in a relationship with Africa. Nah,
So I want to ask you this
we
practical
go so
question.
engaged.
Okay. So we will expect wedding very soon from
Yes,
Ckay
me
and Africa
locked
Babe.
in.
Okay.
So
good.
since these two singles don't come out now, I did sure because your fans go always look for one or two things, to talk about. Any kind of criticism, don't come from your listeners based on these two songs where you just released. You don't see any one or two fans criticize these two singles.
Yeah, they just talk say it's short. Say the
Oh.
song too sweet, it comes short.
Okay. So therefore expect me a day longer.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it good made short as.
Short and sweet. So with these two songs too now, any challenges probably during the production or during the whatever of the song, any challenges there for you when you do the two songs?
Any challenges? No, I won't say so. No, not really.
Okay, so I would always understand say once Nigeria artists they sign to international label like this, most time the choice of the type of song when they want drop, they always be problem because the artist fee want one, then the record label go they say no, this is what we want. How your selection process for your songs they always be? You get that 100% right to say this is not the song I want out, and the label will go with you. Now that case be this one.
Something like that, yeah.
No, I'm talking. Be like person. No, like something like say now you get right to say, oh, this is not the song I want to go, and or you say, okay, let's go with it.
Pretty much.
Pretty much like that.
Yeah.
Ckay don't want to talk.
He's trying to be careful with our response.
No, you don't want to.
I understand.
Anyway, so right now, video don't they add for Mysterious Love official video, right? The official watch on top
Yes, on
YouTube.
YouTube.
Then the songs also they available on top of streaming platform.
Any platform where you
Where you dey?
plastered.
Okay, so we expect body of work from you soon.
Yes, very, very soon.
Like how soon?
As soon as soon is possible.
On a lighter note now, Ckay, how your average day be like? On a lighter note.
Anytime in Nigeria.
Average
Yeah, when you
day,
in Nigeria.
man, my average day is wake up and choose violence.
But you don't look like a violent
then I'll
person
drink
now.
coffee. Looks are deceiving.
Hey, wow.
But I mean, after the violence, drink
Yeah.
coffee, chop breakfast. You understand?
So even before you chop, you don't start violence first.
I'm on for Nigeria. If you don't start with violence, how you go?
They'll violate you.
I'm on. You have to
Yeah.
choose violence at all times.
All time, yeah. but going out clubbing, how they be for you normally?
Yeah, they go club like I know they go club every single time.
Yeah.
But like when they go club, I feel go like every night for like 1 week straight. Then
Wow.
I feel no go for like 1 month.
One
Then I
month
feel
just
go
relax.
1 week back to back
Back,
to
yeah.
back. Then I go just because that's as if you just they shy you every day, shy
Yeah,
shy
body
you,
go
and
tell
don't
you.
stop. Yeah, so
What-
you just they calm down.
What will be your longest stay since you don't blow internationally for Nigeria? What will be your longest stay when you don't do for Nigeria?
Longest day.
Yeah,
2 months, I think.
2 months.
Like but
this was
2 months travel, then
Yes,
come
come
back,
back
stay 1 month
again.
or 1 week.
Yeah.
Travel, come back, stay 1 month.
yeah.
Like that. Yeah.
Because they hear people they say they look for you for Lagos. They only quick see you most time.
Oh yeah, now don't see me.
See me
I
right
don't-
now. So how long you go stay now before you meow again?
This
Yeah.
particular time I plaster for you. No worry.
You dey fully based now for Nigeria now.
Yes.
Except maybe show come up again and the rest arrangement.
I mean, shows they always come up.
Yeah.
Like I already have a few lined up, but this year
Yeah.
I plaster
For Nigeria,
Yeah.
not be say you want to go stay South Africa again. You get video to this one never dey out yet, Abi.
No, but it's coming very soon.
Like Valentine Day, now you want to give am to us
Maybe.
because this is supposed to be our national
Anthem.
item for Valentine, right? Yes, now.
Yeah.
Yeah, now.
You know they think I know, Abi.
know.
You know they say now.
But to any of the
Yeah.
song, any challenges there on top TikTok or something?
Yeah.
No, not really. Like
Yeah.
the way with my music they be now people they usually come up
Just come up with
waiting
challenge.
they want use the jam do last. Like
Okay.
they feel say they want shake waist to ram. They feel say they want shake bomb to ram. They feel talk say it's in for the challenge. I say we go they read with the song.
So you dey
Anyone.
leave them to just make decision on their own. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel say the fans know it's in them once,
They
and then
want.
go use the jam do it in them want do. But
Yeah.
if you use sha dance, now the one thing way
Nah, be that.
that one sure.
So what
Okay.
next for Ckay now? You know, the year is still fresh. Now you don't drop two for us now. Maybe we see they expect more. I've been an
More drop
EP and
EP.
an album. You could
Yeah,
drop
so
it now.
this year, plenty Gbedu day this year, no worry. Everything they arranged, so they come out one by one. Definitely go to day more in Nigeria this year.
Yeah.
More performances, more, more everything this year. This year go heavy.
Because be like throughout last year, not people for Nigeria at all. Throughout last year.
Yes, last year I actually do campus tour for Nigeria around
That was early last year now.
no, like in the middle actually. Like,
The second quarter.
That was the second quarter of last year, right?
Yeah, we do Anambra, we do Ibadan, we do Ogun State,
But
Osun State.
this year we'll see concert for Ckay.
yeah, this year.
This year.
Full concert.
Now we'll see you for club. All those your girlfriends for Nigeria, they know the verse. I'll see you for club. No, they complained last year. Ckay, not the still Nigeria, not the still Nigeria. I say, when I come, they go come. You go say no, if you come, you go you come
So
out.
you really know all your girlfriends then?
I know them now. Some
Wow.
of them are my girlfriend too. We dey share.
Hey God! I can't believe this.
Anyway, so video probably go come outside for this. Is it you? Hopefully, right? The way they look already.
Yes, very soon. We don't shoot the video already.
Oh.
Mad 10, yeah.
Oh, for real. Oh, cool.
Coming
cool.
soon.
Okay. So apart from that, right now, collabo go there with the bigger guys there because you did normally do with your guys there from Joe Boy to Black Bones to Davido. Yeah, Davido feature you. Yeah, who would expect collabo from you soon?
I mean, see me, I know they too like talk something until you don't stop.
You don't stop, okay.
But yeah, collabos go there this year.
Yeah.
And when he show outside, he go show outside.
Everywhere go bust.